Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to start Arena quest. In the beginning, let's go to Imperial City and go to Imperial City Arena District. Enter the arena. Now talk to anybody.
Weakling, why don't you go some...
Hail, friend. I don't believe I've ever seen you down here in the Bloodwork. Most people... Yeah, I am a... I grew up late when the... My crow... My thought...
I don't know who you are, friend, but you... You what? You want to be a combatant? Wait, you're serious, aren't you? All right, it's your funeral. Welcome to the arena, you filthy pit dog. You're free to fight. Now let me give you your battle raiment. It's the uniform of all arena combatants. Do you want a light raiment?
Select light or heavy.
Here, wear it proudly. And keep it in good condition, would you? That way I can give it to some other suicidal idiot. Just let me know when you're ready for a match. We can...
Select ready for a match, but before check rules.
For the blue team, you fight against the yellow team. In order to fight in the arena, you must wear an arena... The battle raiment covers your entire body. You can use your own helmet, shield, and weapon, so choose those... The battle raiment's already enchanted, so you can't muck with it. But aside from that, anything goes. Magic, stealth, you can compete in the arena any day from 9 a.m. If you actually manage to win a fight, don't get any ideas about looting.
Okay, so now you have to wear arena raiment. You can wear your helmet, weapon, and shield. And now start.
Haven't run home to mom? You might be ready, but the arena ain't. Get a move on. You haven't run. All right, Mag. When you're...
By the gods, what do you want?
What are you waiting for? You signed up for this, maggot.
Now go to the arena and fight.
Good people of the Imperial City, welcome to the arena. Yeah! For this match, we've got some fresh meat. Two brand new pit dogs. So let's not waste any time. Let the battle begin!
You have to finish all fights to become champion. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.